So we're back trying to get some ground rolled. Obviously we did a video not long ago with this when we were getting the oilseed rape in. This is now the winter crops going in. I need to stop saying yeah, what we 8 o'clock in the morning. As you know, I'm not the biggest fan of early mornings. Sort of furthest fields in this direction away from their yard, so we've had a bit of an early start, but you know what, with the sun sort of just starting to rise and just starting to sort of brighten up, it is a gorgeous time to be out on the fields. Just that first sort of start of the day. So we've got plenty to go out. I've got 3 decent sized fields up here to cover. Started it yesterday, just finishing these 3 off, and then we are, well, I think we've got plenty to go out, put it that way. Just look at that morning. I'd go as far as to say it does actually beat being curled up in bed. Just a bit of a mist across the fields, sun's just brightening up, bit of a red tinge there over in the distance. Red sky in the morning, shepherd's warning? I hope not. We've got ground to cover.